This video is about the waterproofing product from Pioneer Pro. It's called the Watertight. So I'm here right now in the booth of Pioneer Pro to feature the waterproofing product that they have on the market since 2008. But they've been introduced but not so popular yet among our masses or us, the Filipinos. So what are the products that you have for waterproofing?
We have heard Watertight.
The Watertight 100.
100.
That's the 100. So what is the properties? The rapid setting powder, dry powder, ideal for patching concrete and filling holes.
Yeah.
So the next one is...
This is what we call the instant plug or plugging.
Is instant plugging for the holes.
Yeah. Then the 101.
The 101
yes.
Waterproofing.
Yes.
So cement-based mix to cover cracks and prevent leaks for basements and sewer structures.
Yeah. Then the 102 for toilets.
For toilets, this is cement blend that can be directly applied to damp surfaces. Best for bathrooms, balconies, and kitchens. Algae and fungus resistance.
Yeah.
Then the
103.
The 103
for white coverage.
This is withstand areas with high water pressure.
This is more flexible than 102.
So this is better than 102 because it's more flexible. Best used for water tanks, toilets, and swimming pools.
Yeah.
And then, sunod sir.
This Powerplex.
The Powerplex.
Watertight Powerplex. Also, this is a paintable for walls.
Paintable polymer base capable of withstanding areas with high water pressure, bringing hairline cracks. Best used for bathrooms, wet areas, and glass tiles. Then that
200.
Pioneer Pro 200 Watertight coating, best used for above ground surfaces, weather resistant, and best for stucco, bricks, and concrete. This kanida yun.
Oh, yeah.
Pioneer Pro 400, the thick layer of waterproofing that deeply penetrates concrete surfaces, best for use for foundation, tunnels, roofs, and inverted insulation. And this is their 401 PU Plus, thick consistency, both exterior and interior areas, suitable for foundations, balconies, and terraces, kitchens, and bathrooms. So these are the waterproofing products from Pioneer. Pila ang usa kay nani? So the price that you're looking for a gallon, pila? Lagi. Pricing na sa sir.
Watertight 104.5 or gallon is 874 per gallon.
That's 874 per gallon. The 101 is...
The 101 is 724 per gallon.
724. 103. 102.
102 is 649.
649. The 103.
103 only 35 kilos or pail, 4,369.
So it comes in buckets or the 25 kilos. That's the 4,369. And then the next one was the Pro, Pioneer Pro Watertight. Powerplex.
724 ang gallon.
724 for 1 gallon. And then the Watertight Pro 200.
804 ang gallon.
804. And this 400, sir?
400. That is...
Money siya, no? 401 mo din,
401.
The 400.
400 naman mo?
Oh.
6,050.
Oh, mahal din eh. 20 kilograms. 6,050 pesos. And kani, 401. PU Plus 401. 4 kilos naman.
401. Wala pa presyo. Mura ko kay presyo.
So this is the new one, but they lost the price. But you can see this is about estimate lang.
Estimate that would cost, I think, mga
800 pesos per gallon. So you have now a choice of different kinds of waterproofing from Pioneer and for your different waterproofing needs. Anong black man siya, sir? Nasi other color?
No, para naman sa mga sa underground man ito.
Underground roofs, other tunnels.
Color, ikaw na to sa iyahang color ba na kasi. Kini sistema kuno sa
balay toilets.
Sa 6B o sa cemento.
So, okay. So these are the
system.
This is the system. How to apply this one. That's for the firewall. And this is the bathroom. First coating of watertight Powerplex. Second coating. And then the tile adhesive with grout. So this is how you apply this in your bathroom. So first coating. And then that one. And before you put on your tiles. Now for your swimming pool. This is how it goes. That's the first coating of Watertight 103. Then the second coating before you put your tiles and floor covering. Wall tiles and floor covering. And this is your roof decking. They use the Powerplex for the roof decking. This is the first coating for Watertight Powerplex. Then the second coating before you put in your floor covering or the glass fiber mounting. So that's the roof decking. 2 coatings is advised for this to install in your roof deck. And then this is your swimming pool using the Watertight 103. 2 coatings again, first, second, and before your tiles. First coating of Powerplex and second coating of Watertight Powerplex before your tile adhesive and grout. Then the Watertight Powerplex for your firewall. Then also requires 2 coatings. This is the first coating, Watertight Powerplex with cement 1:1 at 1 kilogram per square meter cost. Then the fiberglass mesh in the wall or floor junction.